Have you ever considered starting your own dropshipping business on Shopify? Today, we're taking a closer look at dropshipping, a retail method that has revolutionized the way we do business. In this model, store owners can sell products to their customers without ever actually stocking the items themselves. Instead, when a dropshipping store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This approach has several advantages such as low startup costs, reduced risk, and the ability to offer a wide range of products. Among the platforms that support this model, Shopify reigns supreme. It's user-friendly, feature-packed, and offers a seamless integration with dropshipping tools. So, are you ready to tap into this goldmine and start your own dropshipping store? If this sounds like a venture you're interested in, stay tuned as we delve into a detailed guide on creating your own dropshipping store on Shopify. Diving right in, the first step to creating your dropshipping store is setting up your Shopify account. Let's get this ball rolling. Head over to Shopify's homepage and click on the Start Free Trial button. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, giving you ample time to set up your store and get a feel for the platform before committing. You'll first be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. Be creative with your store name, but also ensure it's relevant to the products you plan to sell. After you've entered these details, Shopify will ask for a little more information about you, such as your name, address, and phone number. This information is important for billing and for setting up currencies and tax rates. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be directed to your new Shopify dashboard. This is essentially your store's command center. From here, you'll be able to add products, create discount codes, manage orders, and much more. Now let's talk about Shopify's pricing plans. You have 3 options to choose from: Basic Shopify, Shopify, and Advanced Shopify. Each plan offers a range of features and benefits, with the main difference being the amount of staff accounts, the shipping discount, and the transaction fees. The Basic Shopify plan is a great starting point for new businesses, offering all the essential tools you need to launch your store. The Shopify plan is perfect for growing businesses, offering additional features like professional reports and better shipping discounts. Lastly, the Advanced Shopify plan is geared towards scaling businesses, offering advanced features like third-party calculated shipping rates and an advanced report builder. Remember, there's no rush to choose a plan. You can start with the 14-day free trial and upgrade later when you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Shopify account. It's as simple as that. With your Shopify account all set, we can now move on to the next step, which is choosing your dropshipping products. Choosing the right products to sell is a crucial step in building a successful dropshipping store. This isn't just picking items you think are cool or trendy. It's about strategic selection, understanding the market, and knowing your competition. So, what factors should you consider? Well, first and foremost, market demand. You want to sell products that people are actively looking to buy. To gauge this, consider using tools like Google Trends. This tool can show you how often a particular term is searched, giving you an idea of its popularity. Another important factor to consider is competition. You don't want to be selling the same products as everyone else. Try to find a niche, a specific category of products that isn't overly saturated. It's easier to stand out and attract customers when you're not lost in a sea of similar stores. Profit margins are also essential. Remember, you're in this to make money. So, you need to sell products that will give you a decent return. Consider the cost of the product, the price you can sell it for, and the shipping costs. The difference is your potential profit. Now you might be wondering, how do I find these products? Well, that's where tools like Oberlo come in handy. Oberlo is a platform that helps you find and add products directly into your Shopify store. It offers a wide range of items, from fashion to electronics, and even home decor. Oberlo can also give you insight into product performance, helping you make more informed decisions. But remember, choosing products isn't a one-time thing. Trends change, demands shift, and new products emerge. So, keep an eye on the market, stay up to date with what's popular, and don't be afraid to adapt your product selection. Once you've chosen your products, the next step is to add them to your Shopify store. But that's a tale for another scene. For now, take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. After all, the success of your dropshipping store largely depends on the products you sell. Now that you've chosen your products, it's time to add them to your Shopify store. This process can be done manually, or by using a tool like Oberlo. Let's delve into both methods, shall we? To start, let's talk about adding products manually. From your Shopify admin, click Products, followed by Add Product. Here you'll be able to fill in the necessary details such as the product title, description, and price. Remember, be concise yet informative with your product descriptions. Add in all the essential details a customer might need to know. Next, set your price. Consider your costs, the perceived value of the product, and of course, your profit margin. A great tip is to compare your price with similar products in the market to ensure you're competitive. Now let's talk about images. High-quality images are critical as they are the customer's first impression of your product. You can upload your images in the Images section. Ensure they are clear, well-lit, and showcase your product in the best possible light. What if you want to save time and automate this process? That's where Oberlo comes into play. Oberlo is a tool that allows you to import products directly from suppliers into your Shopify store. With Oberlo, you can add products with just a few clicks. To use Oberlo, go to the Shopify App Store, install Oberlo, and follow the prompts to connect it to your store. Once connected, you can search for products within Oberlo and click Add to Import List. From there, you can import the products into your Shopify store. Whether you choose to add products manually or via Oberlo, remember that the details you provide about your products are just as essential as the products themselves. Good product descriptions, competitive pricing, and high-quality images can make the difference between a browsing visitor and a purchasing customer. With your products added, you're almost ready to launch your store. But first, let's look at setting up your store's design. A well-designed store is key to attracting and keeping customers. Let's look at how to design your Shopify store. Your Shopify store's design is much more than just a pretty face. It's an interactive digital environment that can either draw in customers or turn them away. To create an appealing and user-friendly store, you'll need to focus on three main aspects: selecting a theme, customizing the layout, and adding branding elements. Choosing the right theme is the first step in creating an attractive Shopify store. Shopify offers a variety of free and premium themes, each with its own unique style and features. When selecting a theme, consider your brand's identity and the type of products you'll be selling. Do you need a clean, minimalist theme for a modern tech store? Or perhaps a vibrant, playful theme for a children's toy shop? The choice is yours, and the options are plentiful. Once you've chosen a theme, it's time to customize your store's layout. This involves arranging your products, categories, and other elements in a way that is both aesthetically pleasing and easy for customers to navigate. Remember, your goal is to create a seamless shopping experience. A well-organized layout can help guide customers through your store, leading them from browsing to checkout with as few clicks as possible. Lastly, but by no means least, you'll want to add branding elements to your Shopify store. This includes things like your business logo, banners, and color schemes. These elements not only add visual appeal but also help to establish your brand's identity. Consistent branding can make your store more memorable, encouraging customers to return and make repeat purchases. Keep in mind that the design process is an ongoing one. Always be open to tweaking and refining your store's design based on customer feedback and analytics. With your store designed and products added, you're ready to launch. But before you do that, let's discuss some key tips for success. Before we wrap up, let's go over some key tips to make your Shopify dropshipping store successful. First off, never underestimate the power of exceptional customer service. It's not just about selling a product. It's about creating an experience that leaves your customers coming back for more. Next up, marketing. You've got a stellar product and a sleek store. But without effective marketing, it's like a tree falling in an empty forest. Utilize social media, email marketing, SEO, and don't shy away from paid advertising. And finally, the magic ingredient: continuous learning. The e-commerce landscape is ever-changing, and so should your strategies. Stay updated with the latest trends, learn from your competitors, and most importantly, learn from your own successes and failures. Keep testing, keep tweaking, and keep improving your store. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your Shopify empire be. With these tips and steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful dropshipping store on Shopify. Happy selling!